everyone, I'm Mansi and once again welcome back to our series of videos. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं एंड दैट इज अबाउट द प्रोसेसेस ऑफ क्लीनिंग अ गेस्ट रूम. हर टाइप का गेस्ट रूम क्लीन करने के अलग अलग प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं. लाइक ऑक्यूपाइड रूम के लिए अलग, वेकेंट रूम के लिए अलग, चेक्ड आउट रूम के लिए अलग, स्टे ओवर के लिए अलग. सो every type of room has a different procedure to be followed when you are making a room. Today we are going to talk about the procedure of cleaning for an occupied room. जब भी एक आध गेस्ट रूम अटेंडेंट की बात आती है तो एवरी गेस्ट रूम अटेंडेंट हैज टू क्लीन समवॉट अराउंड 13 to 18 रूम इन अ शिफ्ट. So 16 room, 17 room. So it depends upon property to property कि एक गेस्ट रूम अटेंडेंट को कितने रूम को सर्विस करना पड़ता है. So it depends upon property. But basically on an average from 13 to 18 room every guest room attendant has to do. So when we talk about the occupied room, the process has to be followed. A particular process is there which has to be followed. The first part of that process is of entering into a guest room. हम लोग ने इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में इसके एक पहले वाले वीडियो में बात की है. I'll try and provide the link of that video into the description. जब भी गेस्ट रूम एंटरिंग की बात आती है we have to follow that procedure of knocking on the door, announcing your department. If there is no response after repeating this action for 2 or 3 times, then with our key we have to open the door ajar. Then again we have to announce our department. If still there is no response, then we have to go inside and check. Please do check कि गेस्ट कहीं पे वॉशरूम में तो नहीं है. मे बी इट कैन हैपन कि शार के आवाज़ में उन्हें आपका आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है. सो प्लीज़ डू टेक केयर ऑफ सच थिंग्स. दीज आर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स बट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. After entering into a room, when the room is occupied, the maid's cart which is there, that has to be parked in front of the particular room into the door. The door has to be open when you are servicing the room. The next part is about preparing the guest room for cleaning. ऐसे नहीं है कि हम लोग अंदर जाते ही फटाफट क्लीनिंग करना चालू किया. नहीं, before starting the cleaning process also we have to follow some steps. First and foremost step is opening a curtain. जब भी हम लोग कर्टन ओपन करते हैं तो बाहर का लाइट अंदर आता है and it is easy for us to do our work. Second thing which we have to do, that check for any clearance. If there is any clearance we have to take it out and keep it in the back area. It again depend upon property to property. Where I used to work, we used to keep it in the back area, or we used to call the room service department that in this room there is a clearance. The people used to come and they used to do the clearance. So it depends upon property to property. The next thing which a guest room attendant has to do is like switch on all the lights, all the electrical appliances which are there in the room, because this is the chance that guest room attendant can see कि कोई light तो fuse नहीं है ना, कहीं पे कुछ चल नहीं रहा है या ऐसे कुछ issues है, तो you will understand at this point. So you have to on all the light switches and it is easier for you as well when you are working in a room. Then you have to empty all the dustbins, you have to empty all the ashtrays which are there, and put the fresh liners to the dustbins and keep them at their places. Next is about the process which starts, and that is about cleaning of the guest room. Where I used to work that time, what we used to do is like first we used to, after doing all this thing, after throwing the trash and everything, we used to remove the soiled linen, the linen which is there, the bed linen which is there. We used to remove that. We used to put it into the janitor's cart जहाँ पे laundry bag रहता था, and we used to make the bed with the fresh linen, and then we used to move ahead. Likewise, where I used to work at some other place, there we used to do is like हमारे पास पूरा janitor cart नहीं होता था. We have to go to our pantries. We used to take the linen out. We used to go to the back area. We used to shoot the linen and we used to get the fresh linen and make the bed. So it depends upon property to property what is the procedure. But the basic thing is, first is a room attendant makes the bed, because जब भी बेड बनाते हैं, जब भी वो जो लिनन है जब वो बेड पे जाता है, जब हम लोग उसको स्प्रेड करते हैं, उसमें से जो लिंट होती है वो हवा में स्प्रेड हो जाती है. सो फर्स्ट we have to make the bed and then we used to go to cleaning of washroom. जब भी washroom cleaning की बात आती थी, the first thing which is there, it was cleaning the shower area का जो flooring था, that has to be cleaned first. Then we used to put the WC cleaner, that is R6, in the WC bowl. We used to scrub it little and we used to leave it so that it will get react with the ceramic bowl, and if there are stains or something, it will get removed properly. Then we used to clean the vanity counter, we used to clean the bathtub, we used to sanitize the bathroom phone which was there. We used to then go into the shower area. If there is a shower curtain, we used to clean the shower curtain. If there is proper glass cabinet, it is important to clean the glass so that there won't be any watermarks on the glass. So with the glass cleaner, that was R3, we used to clean the glass. Then all the fixtures and fittings which are there, we have to clean them as well. Then replenish the supplies which are there, like shower gel hai, shampoo hai, conditioner hai. So it again depends upon the SOP of the property. कहीं कहीं पे जब वो पूरा empty हो जाता है, that time they used to place the new one. कहीं पे if that is 50%, like half हो गया है, like full bottle में से half हो गया है, we used to place the proper new bottle or the supply bottle at that place. So it depends upon property to property how the SOP of the property is there. According to that, the replenishment of the supplies will be done. Then after cleaning the washroom, we used to a GRA, guest room attendant, has to replenish all the bathroom linen which is there, like hand towel hai, face towel hai, bath towel hai, that has to be done. Then on the WC, there used to be a tape that it has been sanitized. That tape has to be put on the WC after the cleaning of WC has been done. Then again we used to come into the bedroom and the living area. Then the proper dusting, a damp dusting used to happen, जिसमें स्प्रे किया जाता था डस्टर के ऊपर. जो भी क्लीनिंग एजेंट है उसको स्प्रे करते थे, and with that duster the dusting used to be done. It should be clockwise or anti-clockwise so that बीच में कोई चीज छूट ना जाए, इसलिए. So it has to be done in a proper way, in a proper format. जब भी आप bedside table या फिर कहीं पे आते हो, we have to switch on the light of the bedside lamp and check कि okay, it is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, we have to give the maintenance and get that thing done, get that thing sorted. Then after the dusting is done, the last thing in the room which used to be like the vacuuming of the room, it has to be done. जैसे कि हम लोग ने जब बात की थी इसके पहले वाले वीडियोस में, we have to start from the far point of the room and we have to work towards the exit. जैसे कि far point से चालू करके we have to go till the exit of the room. ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग ने एग्जिट से स्टार्ट किया और फार पॉइंट पे गए, नहीं. इट देन डूइंग वैक्यूमिंग और डूइंग मॉपिंग, इट वोंट बी ऑफ एनी यूज, नहीं तो अपने ही पैर के निशान उसके ऊपर आ जाएंगे. सो फ्रॉम द लास्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम वी हैव टू स्टार्ट एंड वी हैव टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स द exit of the door. Then again it depends upon property to property. Some extra things will be done for the comfort of the guest. Like what we used to do is like we used to place a foot mat under the shoe of the guest. We used to fold the guest clothes and keep where it is. The most important thing when you're cleaning an occupied room, a guest room attendant हैज़ टू टेक केयर दैट हम लोग कोई भी गेस्ट की चीज़ ना फेंके, चाहे वो कितना भी छोटा सा कागज का टुकड़ा भी क्यों ना हो. इट कैन बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू द गेस्ट. वी शुड नॉट चेंज द थर्मोस्टेट टेम्परेचर, क्योंकि वो गेस्ट ने अपने हिसाब से सेट किया हुआ है. सो वी शुड नॉट टच टू द thermostat. We should not touch to the temperature panel of that particular room. We should not change it. Then is about the placement of things. Like अगर guest ने chair थोड़ा घुमा के रखा है facing towards the window, we should not again make it as it was. We have to keep it like that. It is comfortable for the guest, and it is very much important that we provide the guest the best comfort which we can. So these are some small things which have to be taken care when you are cleaning an occupied room. If there is anything, cash or any jewelry, if you find when you are cleaning a room, you have to immediately inform to your supervisors. नहीं तो ऐसे हो सकता है कि बहुत सारा कैश रूम में है, एंड इफ़ यू डू नॉट इन्फॉर्म द सुपरवाइजर, देन इट कैन हैपन कि जब गेस्ट वापस आते हैं दे कैन इवन से कि हमारे रूम से कुछ चीज़ चोरी हुई है या समथिंग इज हैपन इन आवर रूम. So if you find any kind of cash, jewelry, any valuable item in the room while you are cleaning the room, you have to immediately inform to your supervisor. Keep your supervisor in a loop so that ऐसे टाइम पे सुपरवाइजर खुद रूम में आते हैं. दे स्टैंड देयर टिल द टाइम यू आर क्लीनिंग द रूम, एंड वंस द क्लीनिंग ऑफ द रूम इज बिन डन, देन you can move out with your supervisors. At some hotels, even the supervisors, or if the cash is more, then they may call the guest, or they may put it in a L safe and write a note to the guest that it is there and we have kept it in a L safe. If anything you need, then please give us a call. So it depends upon SOP of that particular property, but these all things has to be kept in the mind when you are cleaning particularly an occupied room where the guest is staying. You should not take away anything of the guest when you are coming out of the room. No, you should not do any kind of theft in the room. These all things should be avoided by you, by the guest room attendant. So this is it for the occupied room. As per the SOP of particular property, it may get changed. अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. There can be small things like पहले बेड बनाना है या पहले डस्टिंग करना है. It is again depend upon the SOP of that particular होटल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी. गेस्ट रूम का डोर पूरा ओपन रखना है या फिर बेल्ट लगा के, जो डोर बेल्ट है उसको लगा के बंद रखना है. इट अगेन डिपेंड अपॉन द SOP ऑफ द होटल, बट दिस इज समथिंग अ बेसिक आइडिया विच आई वांटेड टू गिव यू व्हेन यू आर doing the cleaning of occupied room. That's it for today. In next video we will see some more procedures for the vacant room, for the departure room, for the turn down service. Some more procedures for cleaning of the room is concerned. Till then, do like to our videos, do share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Thank you.